Video, I'm going to go over probably the best way to daily fulfill all of your Shopify items if you're selling a lot of different things outside of just what Gearbubble has to offer. Because I know a lot of people, when they're doing things on Shopify, they go source things from China, or they may have their own products or other different providers of different items. So when you're doing that, you want to kind of keep tabs on everything day by day or every few days and kind of go through and just dedicate a little bit of time to fulfillment. I know many of the top people that use the Dropship program, they do hundreds and hundreds of units a day, fulfill this way. Now you can turn autofulfill on, but if Shopify has some sort of bug or something crazy happens, or maybe the card declines or something that causes autofill to have an issue, this works every single day, and you get to kind of get your eyeballs on your orders every single day to kind of keep tabs on everything. So this is the way that I like to kind of go through and fulfill orders. Usually, if you're doing well and you're having some products go out there scaling, you're not going to have like 65 different products doing 1, 2, or 3 sales a day. You'll have a couple products that are probably doing most all your sales, maybe one product doing a majority of them, and maybe a few over there doing a couple here or there a day. If you've been selling for a bit, you probably have a log somewhere of your products that sell. If not, go through and Shopify, kind of take a list of maybe the top 6 products that sell, and then you'll have a really good idea of what you're going to have to go in and do to fulfill maybe 90-95% of your orders really quick. So I know from past experiences that once you do this a few times, a couple hundred orders a day only takes maybe 15-20 minutes a day to properly fulfill doing it this way. And you always get your eyeballs on everything. So here's a few examples. I'm going to go to Shopify, and I've got autofulfill turned off. I'm going to go to new order. Now the key is you have to go and set your product up in Gearbubble first, then move it over to your Shopify store. Then you start taking orders, and then you're going to basically, as long as you have autofulfill turned off, this will work perfectly fine. Now you can filter, sort by, do all the things normal. Now this Rottweiler mug, I sold a big amount of. I'm going to show you how to easily fulfill this. So we're going to think Rottweilers make me happy. Click select this product. Now I'm going to copy this. If I want to use the find tool, I can. But what I want to go do is I want to go through and fulfill all the Rottweiler ones that make me happy up to the current moment in time. So in my Shopify store, order 1750 current moment is all this same thing. You'll see I got a few other ones like GSDs make me happy. That's German Shepherds. GSDs. So I don't want to fulfill those, any of the weird ones. But down to here, all the way up to here is good to fulfill, and it's going to properly fulfill all these Rottweiler makes me happy ones. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to note Rottweilers make me happy on a piece of paper, and then I'm going to write order 1750. Then I'm going to go and fulfill these. So that when I want to come back tomorrow and fulfill again, if these haven't shipped out already, the app will pull them back out because it will still be in the unfulfilled status. So it will pull them again the next day with this method. But if you know you stopped at 1750, you can start at 1751 tomorrow and pull in maybe the next 20 orders, the next 5 orders, or however many come in the next day. So click, click, click. It's really simple and fast. Now, there is room for error if you go through lightning speed. Just go with a decent flow. And we may make it smarter over time once we get more data. We just want to make sure we don't miss an order by trying to filter with smart technology. So anything with the SKU 16, which is what mugs are, it's unfulfilled, it will be able to pull in for you. All right, then I'll click next. Actually, what I'll probably do is I'll probably spot check again. Look and see this, unfulfilled, this, unfulfilled, 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 unfulfilled. Good, 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 good. All right, those are clean, ready to go. Order summary. It'll just go through. You can spot check all this stuff. Give you amounts. Would you like to proceed? And hopefully it'll build a card that I have on file properly. All right, and here they are. Click see details. And it goes through and it's got everything absolutely easily imported. And then we're going to get all those taken care of, shipped out. And the tracking numbers will go back through the Shopify connection once we update it as tracked. And it will update inside of your Shopify account with the tracking number that will send out to the customer. That's all taken care of easily and done. So, like I said, note this internal ID over there. So when you come in tomorrow and you're fulfilling for just this Rottweiler orders or for whatever orders for the 6 most common products and maybe the 2 oddballs or however many you have, just simple documentation like this makes it easy so that if you're using autofulfill, great. If you're not using autofulfill, this works even better, because if you have any problems with your cards or anything like that, you get a daily look in your account. I like this method a lot better, and I know the top sellers prefer this method, so this is probably how you want to do it. It's still very, very easy. It takes maybe 15, 20 minutes a day to go through a couple hundred units. Then you've always got your eyeballs on your data as well, so that's a good thing. So hopefully this video showed you how to easily use the Shopify add order connection to go out there and grab any product that's unfulfilled for the SKU numbers that match. All you got to do is go through, select the campaign from the actual navigation system, take whatever orders are unfulfilled. But the key here with this is, if these don't ship out next day, they're still going to be unfulfilled tomorrow, so they're still going to pull in. So you're going to need to do a little bit of organization, because the possibility for you to double fulfill orders does exist, so you just want to make sure and be cautious and be organized. So thanks for watching the video.